drinks are good.
Hello guys. They say is lingonberry. She lucky I like beets because she just placed them on the plate. And I didn't see that it came with everything.
Actually, I need to see some. Never mind. I forgot you're alive. I'm actually cold.
You know, that's why I kept my jacket on because I'm cold too. Guys, it's kind of cold. I have my jacket on. But we're having IKEA for lunch. I have salmon and cauliflower rice. I don't know what that red sauce is. Now it's black pepper.
You know you have to.
What do you say? This salad looks so good. If I had my bacon bits, I would be good to go.
What do they have in here? What do they have?
What do they have here? Oh, nice.
Do they have a gym and everything? So just furniture. Do they have a gym or some furniture?
I haven't been in here in so long. So we're gonna have to look around. Some type of red sauce. I don't know what this is. And beets. Oh, I love beets. And these are pickled beets too.
They're good.
This is cauliflower rice, guys. Is it good?
Not one of you. You like it?
I was just eating that salmon.
I'm not even right.
Yeah. It goes so good. Well, no, what was that?
I got one for both of us.
potatoes are different.
Yeah.
How are those meatballs?
I actually like that.
Cauliflower veggie rice. I don't like that sauce though.
You sauce the red sauce?
Because it's kind of sweet. And she just plaster it on there. I don't like it.
You always have to say sauce on the side because you can.
This definitely don't have no salt. Cauliflower rice, and it's kind of spicy. Oh shoot. They lucky I like spicy food. Was that supposed to be spicy like that? Guys, I got salmon, potatoes, beets, cauliflower rice.
I thought we had to walk all the way over there together.
Say that.
This.
Oh, they have a drink?
No,
Oh,
just
to put the tray away. Why we come on?
the other lady was confusing. She didn't even know.
Oh yeah, I'm like, girl.
That's how you know they really don't become the right lady.
Just yes to everything, but she don't know what she talking about.
Is it even lunch? Is it lunch?
It's 12:13. I didn't even realize it was 12:13.
So they do breakfast too.
Probably, I don't even think. Maybe they do. I'm for sure they do. Because you know the old people come here for the breakfast.
Tastes like something you will make.
What's she say?
Tastes like something you will make. Tastes like something you will make.
No difference. Trust me, I know. I just want to come home.
You could have been like, go get some food at home. There's food at home.
But you tried that one already, right?
Yeah.
Each veggie?
This? Veggie, yeah.
I want to find a place that has a salad bar. Like, make your own salad. Remember that place, Scores?
Mm-hmm.
I like Scores.
I know people just be coming here and chill. People just be coming here to chill. They don't even.
Yeah, they don't want to be in the house. Hey, Leah, how you doing? How you feeling? I really didn't mean to stare like that.
I know I was looking at them too, but I didn't.
I bet they're like,
I'm just looking. Because I'm
how
looking
you
at everybody.
feeling, Aaliyah? How you feeling? Hello to everybody on the line. trying to tell you, I haven't been here in so long. I came here when my kids were probably like, shoot, I don't even know, they were so young. I haven't been to IKEA in a minute. I think I brought y'all here for dinner one time.
Oh, all of us? Big hands.
I'm having salmon and mashed potatoes and cauliflower rice, guys. And the salmon is really good.
Try this.
This is some veggie melody.
It's like potato.
It's like potato. Oh yeah, it's like potato. Oh no, Aaliyah. Back in the hospital again, my goodness. So, I saw you talking about a surgery or something. So what was going on with that? What were they saying about the surgery? You say the doctors mentioned to you about surgery?
If it's not sauce, it's for you.
Oh. You don't like it?
Well, no, I got one each for us.
You know what I mean? I eat the whole thing, but this is good.
Looking at me really bad, and that's not much. The thing behind us was looking at me. And I smiled back at her, and she was like,
You talking about the man, though?
she was like, oh.
That veggie rice is spicy. Like, it's real spicy. Oh, the appendix. Okay. I don't like that red sauce.
If that's what I'm smelling,
What, this? I don't like it. It doesn't taste old or bad. I just don't like it. It's just bland, very bland. So what did they find out? You didn't need it or what? So regardless, I saw you post about it, right? And I was telling you in the comments earlier that, because I know you were saying that you wanted somebody to come up there with you to the hospital because the doctor was trying to tell you you needed surgery. And I was trying to put in the comments that I've had to be my kid's advocate so many times when it comes to those doctors. You really got to be careful because not all the time they're right about stuff. They're not always right. You want to try a different drink? Were there any quotes or just this? I've had to be my kid's advocate many times. I got a whole story time for you about a situation with my one daughter. She has CP.
yes. Hello? Yes? Why? I don't know. When are you coming home?
Who's that? What do you want?
He just asked me when am I coming home.
He's sleeping. He's very sleepy. I don't like that. Hey there, D. Myers. How you doing? Long time. These potatoes are good. And guys, I did my workout this morning, so this is my lunch after my workout. That is good. Potato melody. That's good.
Put this in.
But no. So my one daughter that has CP, Aaliyah, you know, I'll never forget. She was in the hospital after having a seizure, and they wanted to like put her on the machine. I forget the name of that machine, but it was to put something on her brain to see if she was epileptic, right? They had to test to see if she was epileptic.
You want a drink, you said?
Yeah.
Which drink?
The same one. Or maybe,
Five coca.
but don't touch your hands because it's special. But yeah. Oh, you took a break. Ain't nothing wrong with a break. I'm doing real good. I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. Trying to get away. That red sauce not good. I don't like it. People so nosy. The one that walked past, it looked like I'm talking to myself. Oh, all the time. I'll never stop that. All the time, D. Myers. It's so pretty here. It's so pretty here in IKEA. I can't avoid that red sauce. I can't avoid that red sauce. It's just...
You know, I'm surprised that a lot of kids have
Because I was touching the sandwich.
a lot of kids have come here for lunch. Where did they come from? Is there a school over there? Because there's so much. It's surprising that you have the mashed potatoes.
This is something called Lincoln. Hey, don't go too far. I don't be looking for you. Are you connected to Wi-Fi?
So if you go through the restaurant, and there's a hallway where it says.
Oh, and that's what my daughter had.
Yeah, just out and down. Turn at the
My daughter had the Swedish meatballs with gravy and mashed potatoes. You see, she jumped in the camera.
Okay. Yeah.
And finish this salad. I want to show y'all what I'm looking at in IKEA. Look. Even got some fruit salad out there too. But y'all see how pretty it is? That's why I keep looking over. Y'all keep saying I'm looking over. I don't go by everything they tell me because the man above always have that. So that's what I'm saying, for sure. I'm trying to pop this for you guys. Yeah, I don't blame you. But listen, and I probably told this story before, but my one daughter who has cerebral palsy, right? I'll never forget she had like her, I think it was her second or her third seizure. But they were doing like a bunch of testing on her and everything, right? And they wanted to put her through that machine that, you know, tests your brain and everything like that. Excuse me, guys. So they wanted to make sure there was like no metal anywhere on her. You had to take off your earrings, any jewelry before you go through this machine. And thank you for the reactions, whoever sent in the reactions. Oh, it's balsamic. It was balsamic dressing. Got a little bit like balsamic vinegar. So anyway, they were making sure she didn't have no type of metal on her before they put her through the machine, right? Yeah, it's big here, huh? I think they expanded because when I used to bring my kids here, it wasn't this big. I'm telling you, it wasn't this big at all. It was much smaller. Them cucumbers taste a little weird. So no, they wanted to make sure she didn't have no metal on her, right? It could be no metal. So the ear, nose, and throat doctor came in for whatever reason, and they were checking the inside of her ears, and they were checking like her throat, her mouth, and I forget why they did this, but that's what they were checking for, right? So next thing you know, the ear, nose, and throat doctor said that they could see something inside of her. I think it was the right ear or the left ear, I forget. And they were like, we don't know. Yeah, the MRI machine. So they were like, it's something in her ear, but we don't really know. So the ear, nose, and throat doctor said, let me call my manager in, like the head boss. Actually, wait, he said, let me call the head nurse in to get her opinion. She came in and she said, I definitely see something, but it looks like a ball of wax inside of her ear. So when they said that, it's something in my spirit that was like on high alert, like, you know, it's something. They said it looked like a ball of wax. And so they were like, but we're just gonna leave it alone because it's most likely a ball of wax in your ears. So something was like, no, I think we should get a second opinion. This is what I said as the parent. I said we should get a second opinion. And so after they sent her down to so that the head person, the ear, nose, and doctor person could test her to see what was going on. And when we went there, the head nurse, there was another head nurse, she said, it's really good that you're going to go get a third opinion. I got one opinion, two opinions, but I wanted a third opinion. Because with me, you can't just tell me anything, and I've always been that way. You can't just tell me anything. Some people may call it stubborn, but my stubbornness gets me out of a lot of trouble, right? So we went down to the head person, and they were checking in the inside of her ear, right? Y'all know they found out that my daughter had metal in her ear. there was metal inside of her ear. Now, where does metal come from? Y'all know when you put earrings on children, right? She was obviously playing with her earring, and the backing fell into her ear. Maybe when she was sleeping or something like that. But the backing fell inside of her ear. Now, one thing I'll tell you that I did notice before she had the seizure, before all of this, she was picking with her ear. She kept picking with her ear. And I'm like, what's going on? So I noticed that. And when they found out that the metal was there, no, not stubborn, just don't play about it. That's what I'm saying. Hey, they've been calling, Jalila, how you doing? How you doing, Jalila? Yeah, that's right. Like, it could be, yeah, that too. But, like, I've always been told I'm stubborn, Jalila. Since I was a kid, I was told I'm stubborn. I'm hard-headed. I don't listen. Anyway, now I've matured into my stubbornness. I'm a mature, stubborn adult. Anyway, so yes, so basically they found out that it was metal inside of her ear from her obviously playing with the earring, and the thing went down her ear. And so I looked, right? Lacey here. She done dyed her hair, y'all. So yeah.
Oh my god.
Huh? You see I'm still trying to eat this salad.
Eat slow.
I don't eat slow.
So I eat like a monkey.
She said I eat slow.
I want to eat food.
You don't need a spoon?
No, I don't.
I don't eat it.
I'll just eat it with this.
I had salmon with that.
Oh, okay.
You want to go to the hospital? Go get a spoon. So anyway, I'm going to finish the story because I was trying to finish that salad. So basically, what they did, they took some really thin tweezers and they went down in there and they pulled it out, right? So let me just go back a little bit. Remember they said it was a little ball of wax that they said was inside of her ear. It was not wax. They went down in there, they pulled it out, they cleaned it, and they said, oh, this is not wax. This is, when they cleaned it, they said this is metal. They said it's metal, right? And I was shocked, the head nurse was shocked, and everybody is like, wow. So when they reeled her back inside of the room to let the, is that water or juice? Is that water or juice?
I have no idea.
What it tastes like?
Juice? Kind of.
When they reeled her back to tell the head boss who cleared her, the head boss cleared her, guys, and said that, oh, we could take her for the MRI. It's not going to be no issue. We told him what it was, and he kind of laughed it off. Oh, because he felt stupid. He felt real dumb. Imagine a head person telling you that, oh, no, you know, it's good. She can go get the MRI. That's crazy. And guess what? It's all because of my stubbornness, my mommy instinct, whatever you want to call it. It's because of me. The reason why she didn't end up going through that, because guess what would have happened? If she went for that MRI, she would have got fried. Because y'all know that's what happened. If any bit of metal on you is going to fry. And my daughter already has CP. So, you know, I just look at how when she was first born, you know, with her being very small, she was born early, stayed in the hospital for 3 months. She had a brain hemorrhage when she was born, a grade 4 brain hemorrhage. A brain hemorrhage is like a stroke. It's like a really bad stroke. My daughter survived that, guys. She survived that. But because this drink got fizzy. We put the whole thing there? Do we put the whole thing there, Lacey? This girl don't hear nothing I'm saying. I'm trying to get this tray off. I think I'm supposed to put it here. I figured it out, guys. I found it out. Lacey, let's go because I want to look around. Let's look around. I want to look around. Hold on. So where do we put the glasses? Oh, well, duh. You leave it on the tray, Michelle. So anyway, guys, like I said, my daughter, she's my 6th child, right? She was born very early, born at 3 months. And that's the first child I ever, no, I can't say that. I was gonna say that's the first child I ever had early because I had a son before her and I had him when I was 5 months, but I lost him. So she's not the first one. She's the second one that I lost. But yeah, guys, so, you know, with all of that, they said that with that brain hemorrhage that she had, guys, they said that literally she was going to be in a wheelchair.
You know what I'm looking for?
That's what they said.
You know what I'm looking for? House and schools. Like, you should do that with brain.
Oh yeah, this is real nice, yeah. Now this is a nice size stove, guys. This is size stove that I need when y'all get out the house. When all my kids leave the house, guys, I want.
This is giving me.
This is all I need.
You should pick the cabinets.
Hold on, let me see this. Let me see this fridge right here. Y'all see how small this fridge is? When them kids leave the house, this is gonna be my size kitchen. Y'all see this? See how nice it is? That's all I'm gonna need. But yeah, she's a very strong child, very, very strong child, guys. The fact that the doctors said that this girl's gonna be in a wheelchair is like, you know, I rebuke that in the name of Jesus. I rebuke that so fast, guys. I prayed over my daughter from the moment that she came out, and I stayed praying for her the whole 3 months she was in hospital, and I'm still praying for her. I pray for all my kids, all 8 of them, you know. But yeah, they were like, she wouldn't be able to speak, she wouldn't be able to walk. They were like, we have to give you this information because, you know, basically that's what doctors do. They have to prepare you for the worst.
You know, downstairs, I need this.
Mm-hmm. Okay. You just stepped into another room. That's nice. I like this room.
I'm trying to look for a room
Say it again.
I'm looking on Amazon for this.
Oh yeah, and that's only, what is that? That's like only $50.
Yeah, because I'm doing something like this.
Join today at IKEA.ca/business network. It's quick, easy, and free.
Yeah, you need that little setup right there. You know, guys, I like being organized. Oh my goodness. This is nice. This is very nice. Look at this. Mm-hmm. That drink got me looking like it's a Coke. Coke don't got me looking like that.
Can you get me like faucets and hot?
How much is that? I don't see the price of it.
This would be perfect. I don't know. You could ask. I want to proof.
$5.40? Yeah, I thought it was more. Is that the right price?
That one is expensive. I need this.
So $5.40 is not bad if that's really the price. Hold on.
I'm taking a picture of everything I need.
Oh no, hold on, hold on. So this by itself is $345. Just this alone, right? That alone is $345. This one is $445, right? And then here, $540. You know those have to be installed. Oh no, it's light bulbs, so you just hang them in your room. That's not electrical. That's a good thing. It operates by a light bulb, right? Oh no, what am I talking about? If it operates by a light bulb, clearly it's electric. You see how my brain is today? My brain is not stable right now. Cause I'm like, this is electric. Yeah, this is too. I don't like all these dark colors.
TV right here. Like get something like this and I put the TV.
Yeah, but this is like too office. This is like an office. I don't like that. I need something more modern, right?
But would something like this fit in there?
You have to get it installed.
And then you just pick the TV.
Yeah, it gotta be installed to the wall. Yes, isn't it, Aaliyah? It's very
You
nice.
got something cute like this for kids, like you know.
See, with my kids, guys, I need dark sofa like this. That's the color sofa I need in my house. I cannot have, and it's $1,000. Look like a small section.
I like this.
Yeah, that's cute. This is so beautiful. You know, the basement is big enough where you could make it like this. This is $1,000, guys. What y'all think? This is a small sectional. And I think, yeah, it's a corner sofa bed storage. It turns into a sofa bed. I'm not gonna lift that, but y'all see what it is. Guys, there's a lot I gotta do to my house. I'm telling y'all. A whole lot. We're in the sofa section. This is cute. But it's too light. I can't have light furniture. I gotta have something like this in my home, guys. Dark furniture. Because you know them kids is not gonna take care of things, man. There's one other one. Aaliyah said, me too. Look at this one. Something like this. And this one is shouting out for Toronto, Ontario. Hey, Mary. How you doing, Mary? Nice to see you on the live. I appreciate it. When y'all come in here, make sure you share the live, like, and share. I appreciate it. How is it out there in Toronto? Nice sofas in here, guys. I had to pick something out. That one's too light. And I don't like the way that's set up anyway. I like more of a sectional like the one I showed y'all over there. Guys, we had IKEA for lunch, and I promise you, I'm not even lying. The food wasn't all that. Oh, check out this one, guys. This one's nice. Oh, someone's sitting there. I'll come back. No. With my kitchen, this is the type of kitchen I like. Guys, look at this. And I'm gonna get this kitchen for sure. I'm gonna get a well-lit kitchen like this. Y'all know I cook food. I need a well-lit kitchen like this. You see what I'm talking about? Love it. I had to find my daughter because she pointed out this other kitchen that was too dark. This is what I like, guys. Right here. And I'm gonna get it. Yes, I am. Lacey. Sit down. She was checking out Sophie's place. Lacey. Gray wouldn't work either.
Excuse me. Is this
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay. Very nice. Thank you. Okay, so it turns into a sofa bed.
scared me. I don't know about you.
You're doing too much extra, huh?
You
So
think
did
this
you
one's
see the
children?
kitchen? That well-lit kitchen?
These are my options. This one too comes out.
Yeah. Did you see the kitchen? That's what I'm doing. I want mine like that, the white kitchen. What's this now?
It's natural.
You need, no, that ain't natural. You should stop. It's over. Oh my God, I'm so congested. Prices aren't that bad.
I need money.
Because look at this. This was good to store things. Let me see. We gotta go back to my kitchen. I want to show it to you. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna get off this live, okay? I'm gonna jump off this live.
Good afternoon, IKEA visitors. With Jeffrey Lewis, please make your way to self-checkout 3. Again, that is Jeffrey Lewis. Please make your way to self-checkout 3. Thank you.
Come over here. Lacey, we'll come back over here. All right, guys, I'm gonna jump off the live. I'll see y'all later. Y'all take care. All right, Leah, take care. I'll see you. See y'all on the next live, guys.